In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge multiple layers into single layer in Photoshop. This is very useful and easy process. Sometimes when we design a complex thing, we need to work with many layers. Sometimes lot of layers make problem to work with, and sometimes we need to merge the unnecessary extra layers into single layer. It makes our life easier and make the layer palette cleaner. So let's begin. As you see, I have a image of 3 apples and a message is written on it: crisp and juicy, these apples begs to biting. These 3 lines are in separate layers in layer palette. In this case, we want to merge into one layer. We don't want 3 different layers. So what we need to do is select these 3 layers, pressing shift key and click is on them, and all are selected. Now I will select all the 3 layers together. Now go to the layer menu, and at the very bottom there is a option called merge layers, or Ctrl E from keyboard. Click on it. You see the layer in layer palette, all the layers are merged into a single layer. If we move the text, you will see all the text are moving together. This is how we can merge the layers in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.